You put it on already?
No, I wasn't carrying the curfew because just Susie best.
Hello, crowd of people. Yes, it's Mama Susie reporting once more with my Holland friend. He's a famous man from Holland known as Gio. He's the car tuner for all the fast cars in Holland. So he's visiting together with his brother. This is the rich one. He has all the money. So they've come to eat Mama Susie chicken today. Gio, how was the chicken today?
Lovely. Lovely. Taste it. Cool.
Number one. Hey.
Respect.
Hey. Me tell you no. How was the chicken, my darling?
Wonderful.
Ah.
I ate and ate. It was great.
And I see what we are talking about. Rich man, talk up the thing.
I still eating. The mini you finish Don't be
I saw the thing set, the thing mad. Look at the little girl on the car finger. I saw we are telling us that the food nice and people, real nice things. Later we are turn it up loud. Down a Kafka, Bob Marley birthday bash, shot. Me I tell us that everything popping up in here. Mama Susie food dropping up in here. Finger licking up in here. Everybody said, hey!
Hey!
Yeah man.